Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. In the previous class, we discussed about the LAN, which is a local area network. We simply discuss about the what is LAN and what are the characteristics that a LAN have and what is the importance of LAN in that video. If you don't watch that video, I will provide that video link on the upper top of the video at I. You can check out that video also. And today's topic is to the continuation of LAN network. We will discuss today MAN, which is a metropolitan area network. Simply MAN network. It is also one of the important factor, one of the important network topology. Simply we discuss what is MAN and what is the architecture behind the MAN. Going to the concept, a metropolitan area network is a network which is similar to LAN, which is similar to LAN, and it covers the area larger than WAN. It covers the area larger than WAN. Means WAN covers the area larger than LAN. Sorry, WAN means wide area network. We will discuss the topic in next video also. But today's session is MAN, about MAN. MAN is less than WAN also. This is wide area network, this is MAN, metropolitan area network, this is LAN, local area network. In LAN, it is similar to MAN, and the area covered by MAN is probably up to cover a city, which is either be privately or owned, which is privately or owned by some group or persons, groups, or publicly utilized, which is MAN. It mainly designed for customers who are spread over a city. Mainly designed for, if you consider a city, if this is the city, then to cover the whole city means to if the users are spread over different areas in different times, then it is used for then to cover all the users with services. We use MAN. This is the main thing about the MAN, and it and needs a high speed connection to the internet. Means MAN area network needs a internet which is high need internet, and MAN can support both data and voice transmissions. By using MAN network, we can provide both audio and video transmissions. For example, the most simple and example is cable TV television. Cable TV television. In our daily, in any home, almost all the homes have television. To the television we have cable connection, which is a MAN network that provides high speed data connection to the internet means. And next one, a MAN is a simple network. A MAN is a simple network with one or two cables. Simple network with one or two cables, to which all the computers are connected. Means if this is a computer and this is one there, and this is another, and so on to n. If a LAN is considered, then it is a simple network. It has one or two cables which is connected to all each other, for transmission and for reception also. This is about the simple diagram or simple architectural of MAN, which is Metropolitan Area Network, and it does not contain any switching elements. Does not contain any switching elements. Simply, a MAN is implemented by a standard called DBDQ, which is a DB DB sorry DQ sorry DQ DB architecture. DBDQ architecture. What is DB? Sorry, DQDB. Here, DQDB is a distributed queue dual bus. Distributed queue dual bus. Or simply the protocol number is IEEE 802.16 in computer network systems. DQDB has two unidirectional buses, which is here we have two unidirectional buses, which and consider it as one bus, which is bus A, and which is bus B, and it has one to which all the components are attached. The architecture is shown in figure, and there is a device called head end. Here this is a head end, and for B bus here it has a head end, which is head end. To monitor the data transmission, the use of head end is to monitor the data transmission. The upper bus, which is bus A, is used to send data to these computers that are right side of the senders. To the right side of the senders, bus A direction is right side, and bus B direction is to this side, and it will send data in two ways, here and in this way, to all the systems. In this way, all the computers are connected to each other to a single bus. 1, 2, 3 and so on, and these are connected. And the lower bus is used for computers that are on left side of the sender. Since there are no switching elements, it greatly simplifies the design of the network. This is about the MAN, Metropolitan Area Network architecture. This is about this video. In the next video, we discuss about the wide area network, which is a WAN network, and then we see the difference between these three networks: LAN, MAN and WAN. This is about this video. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to Mana Lectures, and please share to your friends, which is useful to those in understanding the computer networks and network topologies.